Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find their Discord ID. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into user settings, then go into advanced, then turn on developer mode. Then you want to go escape, then you want to go into any server you have, then we want to press on anyone, then you can copy their user ID, and then boom, you have their user ID. Now if you want to get your ID, all you want to do is press on your account, then copy your user ID. If this video helped you, make sure to like and then comment down any more help you need.